So this is just crazy. This is just insane. I'm just walking and talking and letting my drone film me. This is crazy. Like, this is literally living in the future right now. And I have my wireless mic recording my audio, so I don't even have to hold the phone in my hands while I walk. It actually edits out the sound of the drone as you walk, because the drone is a little noisy. It does make a little bit of whirring sound, especially if you're using it indoors. It's really quite loud, but outside, you can definitely hear it. To me, it's not that bothersome. It definitely makes that stereotypical drone propeller noise. But if you fly it further away, in my opinion, it's not that bad. So I've adjusted the settings on it a little bit. I told it to go low this time. So before it was recording me from a high position. Now it's recording me from a low position. This thing is just amazing. It really is. Like, I don't have to hold a camera while I record myself. And if I'm going for a walk with Raylan, maybe, this thing will record us while we just walk without me having to hold a camera or hold a microphone even or anything like that. This is just insane. Now, like I said, it does make a whirring noise, so that can be a little annoying. I'm wondering if it's not in the direction track mode, how far I can get it to go away from me, and so that the whirring noise just kind of fades into the background. There's a little bit of wind today, not a lot, but I'm surprised how well this drone is doing, just with compensating for the wind. I think it does get pushed around by the wind just a little bit sometimes, but man, I am super impressed with this thing. I love it. It's so cool. I got this little drone, this little thing just recording me from a distance. I'm going to see if I can record it right now and show you how it looks from my angle right now. I want to go to video and show you what I'm seeing. So there's the drone. As I walk, it just kind of keeps on going in front of me. This is on the direction track mode. There's actually several modes that I can choose from. I can have it follow me. I could do like a rocket. It'll go straight up and do a rocket. I can also have it do things like circle me or boomerang around me or do a helix around me, a little droney move thing. Man, it's just so cool. I can't believe it. And it was only $200. That might seem like a lot for some people, but for a video creator who uses video tools and drones and things like that, $200 is crazy cheap. There was actually another drone that was similar to this. I almost bought it, and then they announced the DJI Neo, which is what this thing is. And when they announced the Neo, I'm like, I gotta get this one, because the other one was like double the price, and even though it was slightly more compact, the video quality on it wasn't quite as good. This is 4K if I want it to be, up to 60 frames per second. Just really, really cool. So even though I'm using it with my phone, you actually can use several of the modes without touching your phone at all. Like this follow mode right now, I could have just pushed some buttons on the drone itself and it would just start following me. Now for the direction track, I think the one I was using before, like the one where you could see my face while I talk, I think that you might have to use your phone to set that up the first time, and then every once in a while it just wants you to make sure of something on your phone. I don't know completely, but I know the first time I used direction track, I had to do that via my phone. There's like a tutorial I had to go through or something like that. There's actually some wind right now too. I wonder how well you can even hear me with the drone sound and also the wind sound. Yeah, both of these things are kind of working against me right now. Oh, I guess in follow mode, you could like just walk backwards if you wanted to. So that is a thing, I suppose. There's also some parameters you can adjust through all these different modes. I'm going to go ahead and change this right now. Well, it looks like you can't change it while it's going. Although I think I might be able to do it with the voice command. Farther. So cool. I'm definitely going to be using this thing. One thing that I really like about it is that you don't need your phone. Like, if you just want to do some simple captures, like a quick capture or the follow mode, you can just literally push a couple buttons on top of the drone, never even touch your phone, and it'll work just fine. I mean, it is really amazing. This is only the second day that I've had this. I actually got it just yesterday, and this is only like the third time that I've even tried it. And already, I mean, it's just super easy to use. I've used drones before, so maybe that's part of it, because I am familiar with drones. I know how drones generally work, like how to, I'm pretty comfortable about navigating them using a controller and just thinking about how drones work in general, thinking about, how they fly around, what you can do with them, that kind of thing. This just takes the usability factor of it even to the next level. It is crazy easy to use. If it's your very first drone, it might still take a little bit of learning, but actually even then it's a really good first drone just because it's so compact and built so well. It'd be really hard to break this thing. It's a pretty rugged little drone, so man, I'm super happy about this. I'm going to be using it all the time. Some of the reviews online said that it didn't have the best video, but to me, man, the video looks really awesome. I love the crisp and clear look. I love the saturated colors look. To me, I think that this thing is amazing, and it's just what I've been looking for. I'm really happy that I got it. I would definitely recommend it to anybody looking for a small, compact drone. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission, and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.